unto you this day in the house of David is a Savior born, which is Christ the Lord. And it says, and the shepherds left with haste, and they hurried into town, and they found a babe wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger. Now, everybody do like this. Now, what you're doing is you're wiping all the how many years you're on the planet of Christmas plays out of your mind. Okay? Because your Christmas play that you've watched all these years has the wise men showing up at the same night the shepherds were there. Honey, that ain't the book. The wise men didn't make it till about 2.5. Let me back off. The wise men, the wise men didn't make it. Let's just call it 2. Let's not get real technical. But about 2 years later, because that's why Herod ordered all the little babies from 2 years and younger to be killed, because he was trying to snuff out the life of Jesus. What a sadistic, perverted, wicked man. And here we are years later, and the greatest fight for the soul of this nation is that we stop killing our unborn. The most dangerous place for an American is in their mother's womb. It's time for it to stop. It's time for the arch of Baal to come crashing down. It's time for child sacrifice to end. It's time for this wickedness to be eradicated from our land.